माझे नाव पंकज तेली. नोडा केटरर्स माझ्या भावान स्टार्ट केल्लें. अभिजीत तेली. He is a brainchild of Noda Caterers, where we have started in 2003. So somewhere around almost 20 years we have in this business. So started with my brother, his vision regarding this catering. So we have a very good setup in these industries.
Tell me your struggle story, how you started, brother and you, how you started and how family helped you in business.
So in 2003, Abhijit is left his job. He is working in a Taj. So afterward, he has started slowly business in a Bicholim area with the homemade recipes, where he got a very good response from the locals and his friends, his well-wishers. They have guided us, and we got a very good response in Bicholim areas, Sattari area and all these surrounding areas, Mapsa Bades. Then we got a good response. So we got the orders in the Panjim side, Margao side. So over there 2-3 years we have the very good response for this brand. So slowly we are getting much more famous and used to in this kind of the big orders we have got. So we have done very well over there. So afterward, with the good response of the people and everyone's, so we got names in everywhere. So everyone is asking. We got a very good inquiries over there, and everyone is appreciating what we are doing, what we have presentations wise, what we have done, the innovation, new revolutions in these industries. We have started working what Goa outsider caterers, what they are doing. We try to implement in the Goa also. So with this we got a very good response from the people.
What background you have and your brother Abhijit sir? What actually he did in Taj? And why he left the job? Just give me a brief idea about your the past, what he had done. Abhijit background, what he did, and Taj, what post they are okay.
Okay. He has completed his IHM in a Parvani. He has a pass out. Then he got this job in this Taj as a working as a chef over there. Then he certainly his vision thinking that why we need to work over there. Actually, he had a very good recipes. He is a good in all these our Goan recipes. So he thought that plus my mother is having a good recipes all around. So he started his vision is to do business, because earlier we are in a business also, local sweets, khaja, what we used to do. So we belongs to the family of the business only. So he thought why we are not starting with this catering business. And at that time the catering business is slowly starting up. So he thought that we need to have this kind of the business in this, where he can have a very good response for this, and he is having a vast experience in the Taj. So he told us as a family, he told that he is starting his business. Slowly he started. So he get a good response, and from my mother's also helping out with the local recipes, then Indian what he used to do. So with this mix up we have started. Then generally we got a brief ideas of this. We have worked out with the setups and everything. So slowly we are booming up in these industries.
It's good that family got a support and we have self-employed. You started your self-employed business. Second thing, how many laborers and even employees you have?
So right now in this kitchen plus we have the outside this service boys and this our service boys what we are we have almost around 50 right now working.
50, 50.
50.
Okay.
Plus in a certain areas where we need to have 200 people, sometime 150 people. It depends on this basically order. So we can cater from 100 people to up to 10,000 people. Sometimes we have the 10,000 people, then we have to see that the menu plus how many counters and how many boys we have required. Sometimes outside cooks are also coming. So right now we are in the associations of the Goa plus All India Catering Association. So we are sometimes required the help from the outside, then whatever the different counters what we have. So then depend on we are bringing them, and we like to give to our clients. So this kind of the services.
You serve in a marriage, okay, marriage festivals. Even you have anything about any program we maintain in Taj or something? You attended also?
We have done catering for this Taj Vivanta. Their annual parties are going on. For them, we also supply. So we have done the catering business for corporate also, for Glenmark Pharma, then Goa Assembly sessions. We used to last 3 years we are doing out over there. Then GCA, we have worked in the corporate sector plus the public function, whatever we used to do, we have done that. So these are the things we have from these birthdays, receptions, weddings and everything. This kind of the functions we have already done.
Instead of this catering business, do you have any other business?
We have our Noda Foods, where we are doing a business of breads, cookies, then cupcakes. So these are the we have the means the business also is there, where we have almost 12 to 15 products over there, and we used to supply all over Goa. So Noda Foods is there with long loaf bread, brown bread, cookies, cakes. So these are the products we are doing and supplying to the Goa.
So I can see that there is so many prices, you can say, mementos in there. So for what you get first and how you are getting this, what actually this is there?
We have got 2 times award for the best wedding caterers, that is 2018 and 2019. So these are the Indian Hospitality has given a 2 times award. Plus the Foxy, we have received a felicitation. There are a lot of this from the Rotary side. There are few events where we have got a felicitation also. So at most around 5 to 6 award we have already in our benchmark.
What specialty Noda can serve customers?
Basically, right now we can give means world cuisine we have already adopted. So and this cuisine we can give in a live counter. That is our specialty, because most of the time to give a live counter services, that is something different with this industry right now started. So you can cook over there also and you can serve. So these are the things we have implemented in our business. And this industry is where you need to have fast to pick up everything.
So for catering, you can say you have to buy quantity and quality wise foods.
Yeah.
So you can say rice, otherwise vegetable. You need to 100% that is. You buy it from market, or you have someone you are going to get the market.
We have very good vendors in Goa also and plus outsider, because for exhibition which we are also attending in the Delhi side, in the Mumbai side, where we have the good contact. So they are also providing whatever the latest are there. So they are giving the full ideas. They are sending us a mail or WhatsApp group. So that's the thing. And over a period we have the very good contact with the outside states. So we are very much whatever they are doing over there, so we can implement over here.
Other than this service business, you work in social work process.
So basically, I am there in this BNI is there. So I am a part of a BNI member plus a Rotary member.
BNI.
BNI.
What
business
actually-
network information. So over there, last 9 years I am there as a member over
What
there.
their BI stand?
It's a basically exchange of the business.
Okay.
Yeah. So and Rotary, as you know, Rotary in Bicholim, and I plus Abhijit is also member. And last year we have done a district event at Shamaprasad Stadium. So we are there in NGOs.
So, thank you, Pankaj sir. Just this is our Prudent media. So, what you will say Prudent to, and from this Prudent media, what you want to say your customer and the people who are really want to get in Caterers. What you choose on this?
Basically, first of all, I would like to thanks that you are covering for this Noda Caterers. Then we also daily for daily news we are also following as a for the Prudent. Through people's, what I want to say, whatever innovation service you require, whatever the revolution in this industry, if you want, then please do contact us. We are there. Whatever new recipes, whatever new kind of the innovation setups and everything, so you can contact us and you can really rely on us. So that's the kind of the message I can have.